Hello, everybody. Welcome to our sketching lesson today of Chapter 4, Tutorial 1. You want to make sure that you're in millimeters, grams, and seconds, like it is down here at the bottom. We're going to open a sketch in the front plane. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my line tool. I want it to be for construction and a midpoint line. I'm going to open my sketch or my line here from the origin out. It doesn't really matter the length. So we're going to dimension it here in a second, and then we're going to do another construction line vertically up. It doesn't really matter where we stop at there. And then I'm going to dimension this line or that construction line to 520 millimeters. I'm then going to go into my center point arc tool. I'm going to click here at the origin. I'm going to come straight up to approximately 140 millimeters. I can always come out a little bit there, zoom out. Doesn't have to be exact. And then I'm going to start my arc. I want to end about 45 degrees, and I'm going to click. Then I will select. I'm going to dimension this to 145 degrees, like so. Then I'm going to go into my line tool here. I'm just going to come straight out like so. And click there. I'll dimension this to 120 millimeters, or 100 millimeters, excuse me. Click there. Then I'm going to go and do another center point arc. I will stop at this end point of my construction line here. I'll go vertically up till I touch that right there. And then I'm going to come out this way. And I'm just going to draw down to about here. It doesn't really matter. I'll hit select. I'll go ahead and dimension this because it is locked in. It's going to be 100 millimeters. So it's locked in now. Now the only thing that I have to do is my circle here. And that is going to be a radius of 38. So we'll just type that in there. Make sure it says 38. And hit enter. We're still going to have to dimension it because it does not lock it in like that. So right there. And then we're going to dimension from our origin to the center point to 720 divided by 12. Y. All right. And then the last thing that we need to do is we need to make the center point here and here horizontal to each other. Got to give it a relation so it locks it into place. We're going to need one more construction tool or construction line right here. We'll hit select. We're going to trim out these entities that we don't need, like so. And then I'm going to go into another arc here, like so. And I'm going to dimension this one to 36 millimeters in diameter. Going to lock that in place. And then I think this here, because we're still underdefined, we need well, that's not going to work for us. We'll delete that one and we'll go with the vertical. And that one's going to do the same thing to us. All right, so everything appears to be, there we go. Now we're cooking with gasoline. So we are fully defined now, and we are ready to start mirroring some entities. We do have one more circle that we're going to put in, which is going to be this one right here. We'll go ahead and dimension that. That's going to be 120. So we'll lock that in. All right. Now we can go into our mirror entities. We're going to go ahead and select everything that we want to mirror. You want to follow along with me right there. We're going to mirror it about this construction line and hit the green check mark. And then we are going to mirror again everything that we just did to include this circle right here. We're going to mirror about this construction line. And we now have a fully defined sketch. We have a fully enclosed sketch because everything here turned gray and dark gray, bluish gray. So that means that we're good. So what you'd want to do now is go ahead and click on save. You're going to save this as Chapter 4, Tutorial 1. Chapter 4, Tutorial 1. And we're going to save that into our DFT drawings. That's what I have on my computer. You can save it where you want to on yours. And we are done. Make sure that you upload your sketch into the assignment folder when you're done. I hope you enjoyed, and we will talk to you later.